Never take a cart through the Harbor Freight. Don't do that. Don't do that. No. So when you roll up into the Harbor Freight store, you don't grab the cart. You grab the little, tote basket, and you go in for whatever you need. Don't start on one side and start. Yeah. So that's what happened yesterday. And this morning, everything I left in the truck, and I'm like, I don't even remember what I bought. So I unloaded it all right here. So let's see what $150 later comes up to. So of course they got the for sale table out front. It was Memorial Day sale. But never have too many of these. $10 grinder. If it lasts 6 months, shoot. Gotta have those. Then I saw these bins. I mean, they were like, $5 you to death. $5, yeah, throw it in the cart. So I got 2 of these. Figured put all the electrical connectors and such, or stuff in there. Okay. Organized. So I needed one of these blades for my cut-off saw, chop saw, miter saw, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, but I think this was like $20, so big item. But I was cutting firewood with my other one, and the blade's all burned up, so. Then I got these little bins. It was like $8 for 3 of them. You sit them in your toolbox drawers, or just, I got organized, baby. Mallet, I think it was like $3. You know, with the sand in it. Always pounding on shit. Random connectors. I have a big old bucket, a big old thing of these. I haven't been able to find them in 6 months. So I get some more. Yeah, I didn't need this, but I thought it was cool. It's a, it's like a little copper wire LED thing, It's got a little remote, I guess. But thinking about making a sign or something, an RG garage sign, and these are so small that you can wrap those around the sign. I don't know. Squirrels running, we'll see. That's bag number 1. At least the stuff you need. All right, what else we got here? Oh, yeah. The little magnets, for welding. Never had too many of those. Man, these were cheap too, Throw them in the cart. Oh. The heat shrink, for around the connectors. And I always get rid of those the plastic caps off there and then put the heat shrink up there. It's like a lot cleaner. It doesn't look so, chintzy half-ass. Excuse me. Oh, I got some of the black ones too. Those got some colors in black. Oh. I have a caliper somewhere, but I just grabbed kind of a cheap one. This is the digital one. It's like $15, $20. How accurate it is, I don't know, but for what we do around here, at least we can get a, judge. Impulse buy right there. Oh yeah, big old wire wheel. Get busy on that. I think that was like $4. Throw the cart. Oh, I got some of the cheap pokers. I mean, these fly apart in like, 5 minutes, but just because I need to get in some small areas, Go in the cart. Oh, in the car section, they had just a little thing of body filler. I figured I'd give it a shot. I don't know if we use this or not, but maybe in some spots where you could. Oh, they got a new flagpole. Got a new flagpole holder. I mean, this is like $8 or something, pretty cheap, but gotta support the flag. Anyways, I guess that's my bounty for yesterday. Bunch of stuff that you need. But like I said, don't pull the card out. But hey, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good Memorial Day.